Welcome to Lesson 1.1, the AI Risk Landscape. In this lesson, we'll establish the foundation for understanding how risk evolves in the age of artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional IT systems, AI introduces new dimensions of uncertainty driven by data, models, and autonomous behavior. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify key categories of AI risk, distinguish AI specific risks from traditional IT and cybersecurity risks, recognize business, compliance, and reputational consequences, and learn from real world AI incidents and failures. So, categories of AI risk. AI systems depend on high quality representative data. When that data is biased, poisoned, or incomplete, it undermines the entire model. Model risk arises when AI behavior drifts over time, becomes brittle under attack, or overfits to outdated realities. Operational risk captures everything around the model: process failures, cascading dependencies, and human misjudgment. Finally, ethical risk encompasses fairness, transparency, and accountability gaps, issues that erode trust and invite regulatory scrutiny. Together, these categories define the modern AI risk landscape. So, AI versus traditional cyber risk. In traditional cybersecurity, risks often arise from known vulnerabilities, such as misconfigurations, exploits, or weak passwords. But AI systems are dynamic. Their behavior changes as data or the environment shifts. Attackers can manipulate inputs, corrupt training data, or extract sensitive patterns from outputs. Moreover, the black box nature of models makes it hard to explain or reproduce decisions. As a result, risk management must evolve from patching systems to continuously monitoring behavior, integrity, and intent. AI demands adaptive defense. Business, compliance, and reputational impact. AI risk is not only technical, it's strategic. A flawed recommendation engine or biased hiring model can lead to lawsuits, fines, and public backlash. Global regulations like the EU AI Act and NIST AI RMF now hold organizations accountable for transparency, safety, and fairness. Beyond compliance, poor AI governance damages reputation and investor confidence. Business leaders must recognize that AI risk extends beyond the CISO. It involves compliance officers, data scientists, and executives collectively safeguarding trust. So real world incidents and lessons learned. These incidents highlight that AI failure isn't hypothetical, it's happening today. Amazon's recruiting AI unintentionally discriminated against women due to biased historical data. Microsoft's Tay chatbot learned offensive behavior from online inputs within hours. Tesla's autopilot system has faced multiple crashes tied to over reliance on AI perception. Each case reinforces the need for governance frameworks, human in the loop oversight, and ethical foresight. AI security professionals must anticipate not only attacks but unintended consequences, the failures that occur quietly through neglect. So, AI risk is a living system, expanding, adapting, and demanding new methods of control. Unlike static systems, it blurs boundaries between technology, ethics, and business. Recognizing the four pillars of AI risk data, model, operational, and ethical gives you the structure to assess vulnerabilities systematically. As we continue through this chapter, you'll see how governance frameworks, risk registers, and oversight mechanisms transform awareness into action. Thank you for joining me.